Hi, my name is Daniel Chelist. I'm a Geographic Data and Application Development Specialist in CDOT's statewide and regional planning team. Today, I'm going to walk you through the Asset Resiliency Mapping application we have created in collaboration with CDOT's Resilience program. This application serves as a tool for examining the intersection between environmental threats and CDOT's planned projects and assets. It contains a number of layers from both state and federal agencies. This includes layers for floodplains from FEMA, geohazards from CDOT's Geohazard program, drought risk data from the U.S. Drought Monitor program, and wildfire risk from the Colorado Forest Service. As mentioned, we also have data for CDOT's list of planned projects from the statewide plan. We have also included a roadway criticality layer. This layer, from CDOT's 2018 Risk and Resilience pilot, can be used to identify exactly how critical any segment of roadway is to the continued function of the state highway system. By turning on the various threat layers as well as the list of projects, we can look at exactly how CDOT's planned projects may face challenges from environmental threats going forward. While combining threats with the criticality layer can help to identify when critical roadway segments may be at risk of being impacted by an environmental event. You can control what layers are visible by clicking the button here in the upper right-hand corner. As you can see, this opens up the list of layers. You can turn on as many as you like, though the application runs more smoothly with only a few layers on. Clicking on a layer a second time shows you how the layer is symbolized, indicating what the different colors represent. You can also adjust certain aspects of the layers by clicking on these three dots here. This opens up a drop-down menu with several options. By clicking on View an Attribute Table, you can see more information about the layer. For example, on the Geohazards layer, you can get more information, such as the date of the event and the type of the event. From this drop-down menu, you will also be able to adjust the layer's transparency. This can be particularly useful if you want to see how different layers overlap. To learn more about some of the threat layers and the purposes of this application, you can click this button here. This will open up a window providing some more information about this application and basic information about the various threats represented. You can also click the hyperlink text for more in-depth information on these layers and their sources. Navigating around the map itself is very simple. On a phone or tablet, you can either pinch in or out, or use these buttons here to zoom and drag around the map to move around the area of interest. On a computer, zooming in and out can either be accomplished by using your scroll wheel on your mouse or by using the same buttons found in the mobile version. You can also zoom into a particular area by typing in the name of the location in this window here. Clicking or touching specific items on the map will cause a pop-up that gives the information from the attribute table for that specific item. Once you have turned on the layers you're interested in, you can click this button here, which opens up a legend or key for all the layers you have turned on. If you would like to adjust the underlying map or base map, you can click this button to select the one that best fits your needs. This application also has the ability to measure distance and areas of selected points and polygons using this tool here. After selecting the tool, you are provided with three options. The first option allows you to measure the area of a polygon you have selected. After selecting this option, you'll be able to select points that make up the outline of your area of interest. As you create your polygon, the tool window provides you with the area of your selected polygon. Similarly, the second option allows you to measure the distance between 2 points. Simply click on the 2 locations you want to measure the distance between, and the tool will instantly provide you with that distance. The third window of this tool allows you to get the latitude and longitude of locations you select on the map. Finally, this tool allows the user to add graphics and text to the map. There are a number of options here, including points, lines, polygons, and text boxes. To begin, select the graphic you would like to use. Points can be added by clicking on the map where you would like to add the graphic. There are multiple options for lines, including creating a single line by connecting to points. There's also free draw, and a continuous line created by connecting multiple points. Similarly, there are 2 options for polygons. You can either just click multiple locations and the polygon will be created by connecting those points, or you can use the free draw option here. We also have options for circles, squares, and other shapes. Text can also be added to the map by clicking this letter A. Enter your text, color, and font size, then click on the map where you would like to add the text. If you would like to create a copy of the map with the layers and zoom level you have selected, click this printer icon here. This will allow you to create a PDF copy of your map. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact CDOT's Resiliency office.